Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from dynamic programming, which is called edit distance. So in edit distance, you would be given two words and you need to convert from one word to another word, okay? And you can use all the operations like insert, delete and replace. So for example, you have a word, let's say HORSE, horse, and you need to convert it into ROS. So what you will do, you will replace this H with R, okay? So one operation. O will come as it is, you will delete R. S will come as it is, you will delete E. So three operations, right? One is replace and two deletes. So let's see how we can achieve that using dynamic table, okay, dynamic programming. So I'll take empty here and then HORSE and then ROS, okay? So both the string I will take in a table, and then let me draw lines to segregate values. And now see, if you have a empty empty character, okay, and you need to convert empty character to empty character, so how many operations required? 0. If you have empty character and you need to convert it into R, so one insert, which is R, so one operation. You have empty character and you have R and O, so how many operations? 2 operations with insert R and O, okay? So similarly 3 here also, 1 2 3 4 5 will come, okay, for this empty. Now what you need to do, see, if the values are matching, okay, if the character are same, like R here and R here, if the characters are matching, then just take diagonal value as it is, okay, because they are matching, so you don't need to do any operation for them, okay? So you will take the previous value. But if they are not matching, so from left, diagonal and right, whatever is minimum, take that value plus 1. So for example, R and H, okay, R and H not matching, so what is the minimum? 1 0 and 1, what is the minimum? 0. So 0 plus 1 will come here, okay? So R and O not matching, so 2 will come here. R and R matching, so 2 will come here, okay, directly the diagonal value. R and S not matching, so what is the minimum? 2 plus 1 3. Now R and E not matching, so what is minimum? 3, so 4 will come here, okay? Now check for this O. So this O, let me change the color, okay? So this O and this H not matching, okay? So minimum plus 1, so 2 will come here. O and O matching, so 2 will come here. This one will come here, not 2, 1 will come here, okay? We'll take the value as it is, so 1 will come here. Now O and R not matching, so 1 plus 1 2. O and S not matching, so 2 plus 1 3. O and E not matching, so 4 will come here, okay? Now check for S. So S and H not matching, okay? So 2 plus 1 3 will come here. S and O not matching, so 1 plus 1 2 will come here, okay? Now S and R not matching, so 2 will come here. S and S matching, so whatever diagonal value, just take that, okay? S and E not matching, so 3 plus 1 4 will come here, okay? So one change. So here, if you remember, this one was matching, right? This H and S and this S was matching, so 2 will come here. And then S and E not matching, so 2 plus 1 3 will come here. So we required 3 operations, right? So that was your answer. And this one, and let's see the recurrence relation, okay? If the characters are matching, then just take the diagonal value. If they are not matching, then take minimum value of delete, insert and replace, okay? So this one is the top value, this one is the left value, and this one is the bottom value. So whatever is minimum plus 1, and this is the program for that, right? So you would be given 2 strings, word 1 and word 2. You will check its length, and then dp array n1 plus n plus 1 m plus 1 of size because of that empty string. And then initially this is the base condition, okay? You will just assign that 1 2 3 1 2 3, these two things, these two lines, this one and this one, okay? And after that you will run your recurrence relation, okay? If both characters are equal, then just take the diagonal value, otherwise take 1 plus minimum of left, top and bottom. Now sorry, left, diagonal and top. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.